Right now, inside every single cell of your body, there are tiny power plants running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, keeping you alive. And right now, at this exact second, they are breaking down. Not because of bad luck, not because of genetics, but because of specific fixable things you are doing or not doing every single day. Here's what nobody tells you. Aging isn't something that happens to you. Aging is something that starts inside your mitochondria. And for the first time in human history, we have a step-by-step protocol to slow it down, stop it, and in some cases, reverse it. This video will change how you think about your body forever. Imagine your body is a city, a massive, impossibly complex metropolis with 37 trillion citizens, your cells. Every building, every road, every hospital in that city runs on electricity. And that electricity, it comes from one source, your mitochondria. Now imagine that the power plants in this city are slowly being sabotaged, not all at once, just a little every day. The lights flicker, the hospitals slow down, the roads crack, and one day you wake up exhausted before noon. Your brain feels like it's wrapped in wet cotton. Your metabolism has the enthusiasm of a retired sloth, and your doctor says, that's just aging. But here's the thing. A study published in Nature Aging in 2023 found that mitochondrial dysfunction precedes virtually every major age-related disease, from Alzheimer's to cardiovascular failure to metabolic collapse, by decades. Decades. That means the damage starts long before you feel it. The good news? That same study confirmed something extraordinary. Mitochondria are uniquely repairable. Unlike almost any other cellular structure, they respond fast to the right inputs. So today, I'm giving you the exact protocol, step by step. No fluff, no supplements you need to remortgage your house for, just the science, the strategy, and the sequence. Let's go. What mitochondria actually do. Quick biology lesson. I promise it's fascinating. Your mitochondria are ancient. Literally, about 1.5 billion years ago, a bacterium got swallowed by a larger cell, and instead of being digested, it became a partner. That bacterium evolved into your mitochondria. They still have their own DNA separate from yours. They still divide independently. They are, in the most literal sense, living organisms inside you. Their job? Take the food you eat, strip it down to electrons, and use those electrons to manufacture ATP, adenosine triphosphate, the universal currency of cellular energy. Your heart beats on ATP. Your neurons fire on ATP. Your immune system hunts pathogens on ATP. Every single thing your body does requires ATP, and your mitochondria produce approximately 40 kilograms of it per day. 40 kilograms. You weigh, what, 70, 80 kilos? Your mitochondria are recycling your body weight in energy currency every single day. Now here's where it gets dark. Research from the Journal of Cell Biology shows that by age 40, the average person has lost up to 50% of their mitochondrial efficiency. By 60, that number can reach 70%. You're not just getting tired because you're older, you're getting tired because your power plants are half demolished and nobody handed you the repair manual. Until now. Before we fix the problem, we need to understand what's causing it. Pay close attention. At least 2 of these are things you probably do every single day. Killer number 1, oxidative stress. Every time your mitochondria produce energy, they also produce free radicals, reactive oxygen species. Think of them as sparks off a campfire. A few sparks, fine, but when mitochondria are damaged or overloaded, those sparks become a wildfire, attacking mitochondrial DNA, punching holes in membranes, triggering cellular destruction. A 2022 paper in Cell Metabolism called this the molecular signature of accelerated aging. Killer number 2, chronic inflammation. Short-term inflammation is life-saving. Chronic inflammation is like leaving the fire alarm blaring 24/7. That constant signaling directly suppresses mitochondrial biogenesis, the making of new mitochondria. No new mitochondria means no recovery. No recovery means accelerated decline. Killer number 3, sedentary behavior. Mitochondria are use it or lose it organelles. When you don't challenge your muscles, your body reads it as, we don't need this much power capacity, and starts pruning mitochondria like an overzealous gardener. Research from the American Journal of Physiology found just 2 weeks of inactivity reduces mitochondrial density by up to 25%. Killer number 4, processed seed oils. Soybean, canola, sunflower. They're in your restaurant food, your snacks, your healthy salad dressings. According to a landmark study in Lipids in Health and Disease, these oils embed directly into mitochondrial membranes, where their unstable polyunsaturated structure oxidizes under metabolic stress, creating lipid peroxides that corrode your mitochondria from the inside out. That's not a metaphor, that's biochemistry. Let's continue with the repair protocol, a step-by-step guide to rebuilding your body's power plants from the ground up. 5 steps sequenced by impact and ease. Step 1. Eliminate the poison. Week 1. Stop the damage before you repair it. Cut industrial seed oils completely. Cook with butter, ghee, tallow, coconut oil, or extra virgin olive oil. Read every label: soybean, canola, corn, sunflower, safflower, vegetable oil. Put it back. Research from Frontiers in Nutrition shows this single change can measurably reduce mitochondrial membrane oxidation within 3 weeks. Step 2. Trigger mitophagy with fasting, week 1 to 2. Mitophagy is your body's quality control system. It identifies damaged mitochondria, dismantles them, and builds new healthy ones in their place, like a city demolishing condemned buildings and replacing them with modern ones. The most powerful trigger? Fasting. A 2021 study in Nature Communications showed a 16-hour fast increases mitophagic flux by over 300%. The 16 to 8 protocol is all you need. Finish dinner by 7 p.m., eat at 11 a.m. Done. Step 3. Exercise smarter, not harder. Week 2 to 3. The gold standard for mitochondrial health is Zone 2 cardio, low-intensity, steady-state movement where you can talk but feel slightly breathless. It activates PGC1-alpha, the master regulator of mitochondrial biogenesis, the molecular switch that tells your body, build more power plants. Just 150 minutes per week increased mitochondrial density by 40% in 8 weeks, per the Journal of Applied Physiology. Add 2 resistance training sessions weekly. More muscle equals more mitochondria equals more energy. Simple. Step 4. Heat and cold, the hormetic double punch. Heat 20 to 30 minutes in a sauna at 170 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit 3 to 4 times per week. This triggers heat shock proteins that repair misfolded proteins inside your mitochondria. A Finnish study of 2,300 men found regular sauna use cut cardiovascular mortality by 50%. That's not a pill, that's a hot room. Cold. 3 to 5 minutes of cold exposure activates brown adipose tissue, which is packed with mitochondria, sending a systemic signal to upregulate mitochondrial production body-wide. Cell Reports Medicine found this increases biogenesis markers by up to 35%. Alternate heat and cold days. Full renovation underway. Step 5. The targeted supplement stock. Lifestyle first, always, but these 4 have the strongest evidence base. CoQ10 as ubiquinol, 200 to 400 milligrams per day, the electron shuttle inside your mitochondria. After 40, natural production drops up to 65%. Supplementing restores the assembly line. NMN or NR, 500 milligrams per day. NAD plus precursors. A Harvard study by Dr. David Sinclair showed restoring NAD plus reversed mitochondrial function in aging mice to that of much younger animals. Human trials are following suit. Magnesium glycinate, 400 milligrams per day, required for 300 enzymatic reactions, including ATP synthesis. Most people are deficient, the cheapest, most overlooked mitochondrial nutrient in existence. Alpha-lipoic acid, 600 milligrams per day, a mitochondrial-specific antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals inside the mitochondria, where most antioxidants can't reach, a fire suppression system built directly into the power plant. The timeline. What to expect. Weeks 1 to 2, seed oils out, fasting in. Expect some initial fatigue. Your cells are switching fuel sources. Push through. Weeks 3 to 4, energy stabilizes, sleep improves, brain fog lifts. Mitophagy is clearing the cellular debris. Month 2, endurance, mental clarity, and metabolic rate all improve noticeably. Skin quality often follows. Mitochondria power collagen synthesis. Month 3 to 6, a 2023 clinical trial in aging cell found participants on a mitochondrial optimization protocol for 6 months had measurably younger biological ages on epigenetic clocks than when they started. Not slower aging, reversal. Aging is not a sentence, it's a process, and processes can be interrupted, slowed, and in meaningful ways reversed. Your mitochondria are the biological clock of your body. You now have the tools to reset it. Start with step 1 this week. Just one step. Eliminate the seed oils. Build from there. Because the version of you that exists in 10 years, the energy, the clarity, the vitality is being built or destroyed by the decisions you make right now. Choose wisely.